how to split the how to merge the cell, how to merge the column. Suppose I want to merge this column, then how we will do this? Just make a right click and select the merge options now. And this was we also merge here, something we have to write here. It's a lunch break, no need. So this table we were designed in a previous class. So what's the today's topic? Today we are going to talk about creation, how to create a table. This is done. What is the shortcut of creating table? Control plus F12. Through this also you can insert a table in your document, and you can change the table, different components of the table through the table properties. So this is the table properties, and in this we are getting the facility. You can change the name, you can change the columns, you can decide the borders, you can decide the background. So everything is there. Okay, I already told you how to insert the rows above, how to insert the rows to the below to the current row position. Yeah, I already told you how to insert the column left and right. Okay, as well as I think I was not told you okay, how to delete the rows and columns. So for this, I'm going to insert a new table. I'm going to insert a table through this button, or I'm selecting this option here. Okay, so now I'm going to insert a table here. So table is inserted here, and I'm simply writing here to identify to for identification purpose. I'm just writing here 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, D. Okay, and here I'm writing E, F, G, H. Okay, and then I'm writing here I, J, K, L, and I'm writing here M, N, O, P. So this is my one table here, and now I want to tell you how to delete rows and how to delete the column. To delete one or more rows or column, place the cursor in the row or column you want to delete and do one of the following. Click on the rows or columns icon on the table toolbar, right click and choose delete and rows and delete column options. So this option we have to choose. Uh, what? Deletion, I think that I was not told you. No problem. Just let us revise. So this way we can delete. There is a shortcut which is also Alt plus delete. We can use the Alt plus delete on the keyboard to delete the rows and use the arrow keys to delete the rows or column as described above insertion. So there is an option, say either we go on the table toolbar, tables. Okay, so this is the my table toolbars are here. Look at this. This is the table toolbar. Okay, so I want to delete this column. I want to delete this column. So what I have to do, make a right click here, go on the delete, and this way you can delete the column. So column is deleted. I want to delete a cell. Make a right click here, go on the delete. Cell is not given here, so I can delete a rows. So look, a rows is deleted. Wait, again, it's a column deleted. I want to delete a row, so I have to select the row. So look at this, the row is deleted by this way. Okay, so this is the most simplest way, or you can find it here. You can delete the entire table also. So this way you can delete. And what is the shortcut? Alt plus delete. Suppose my cursor is this row and I am pressing here Alt plus delete key. I am pressing the Alt plus delete key and I pressing nothing is happened. Wait, it's saying that Alt plus delete and on the keyboard and use the arrow keys to delete the rows. So I'm pressing the Alt plus delete and it's not working. Nothing is doing. Okay. Let's check that my delete key is working. Yeah, it's working. So Alt plus delete, this is not working here. And I hope so. I have to select this whole row and then I have to press the Alt plus delete. It is also not working. It's a given there. We can delete with the help of Alt plus delete, but it's not working right now. I have to find out the ways through which we are able to delete through the Alt plus delete, Alt plus minus that is used, Control plus minus that is used in Microsoft Excel to delete the row. Control plus plus is used to insert the rows and columns. Control plus minus is used to delete the rows or columns. Okay. Splitting and merging, one table can be splitted into two tables and two tables can be merged into single table. So how you can split? Splitting is a very simple. What is the meaning of the split? Suppose there are the one more rows are here and something is written like this here, and I want to break this table into the two tables. I want to break this table into the two tables. So for that purpose, we have to use the command split a table. So how you can do this? Place the cursor in a cell that will be in the top row of the second table. After the top row, look at this. Place the cursor in the cell that will be in the top row of the second table after the split. Okay, choose the table and go on the split table from the menu bar, or you can split a table dialog open. You can select no heading or an relative formatting for this top rows and click OK. So look at this. What is this? Suppose I want to this 4 and 5 should be becomes the new table. So what I have to do, I have to put my cursor in a 4 because this one is the top row for the new table. And go on the table, and a table you will find a split cell table option. Now a dialog box is appear here, but my table is does not having any column here. My table is does not have any header. Nothing is given either as a header. So I'm saying that no heading. I'm saying that no heading, and I'm clicking on this, and look, my table is broken. It's a splitted into two parts. There is a one more option is there. I'm going to insert one more rows above of this, and here I'm going to provide some header part, serial number, okay, name, okay, just I'm writing here C1 column 1, okay, and then I'm writing here C2 column 2 and C3, or I will write here COL column 3, and here I'm writing COL column 2, and here I'm writing column 1. Okay, so now this is the my header. This is the my header. I'm making it bold is already done. Now I'm going to put some color also so that I can recognize it. Okay, this is my header. I want to make it white color, so I'm going to change the text color also, and this is the border color. So text color I will change through this way, and I'm going to select a white color. This is the my header. Okay, so now I want to split the table, and this again I want to split it from the 4. The 4 will be the first row for the new table. So what I will do, put the cursor. My cursor is a 4 here. You can put it, you can keep your cursor here also. You can keep your cursor here also. You can keep your cursor here also. It means that anywhere in that row, anywhere in that row, you have to put your cursor. Okay, so now your cursor is here, and go on the table and then click on the split table. Dialog is appear here, and now it's asking copying heading, custom heading, apply a style. Okay, custom heading and no heading. So I'm going to use the first option. I want to check the what is the use of the all and this different option. So I'm using this, and look at this. It's a created a new table, and it's created a new table. And the most important thing, that new table is also having their column header, and the same way it is appeared here also. Okay, in the way it is given this position, in the same way it is given in second table also. Now I'm pressing the Control Z. Again I'm moving my cursor. I'm keeping my cursor this time here, going in the table of menu and selecting the split table option, and then I'm using the custom heading style. So look at this, what happened, the table is splitted, and that top row, the row number 4 is treated as a column, a new table header, new table header. So that is the difference between this and this. Now I'm putting my cursor here, and I'm going on the table, and I'm split the table. Again, I'm using the same option. Look at this, it's working. Okay, so you don't think that you have to put your cursor here only, then it will work. No, you can put your cursor in any cell of this row, anywhere. Okay, and then go in the table, and then go in the split table command, and this time I'm using this option. So look what happened. Again the same thing. Okay, so same thing is happen in this. Again going in this, and the last option is no heading, means the table is broken without heading section. So now you understand how can break the table. Okay, and what is the difference between the table and this is a good feature. This feature is not available in Microsoft Word. This feature, this is a new for the LibreOffice Writer. Okay, so you understand how can break the table into two parts. To merge the two tables, delete the blank paragraph between the tables, you must use the delete key, not the backspace to do this. Select any cell in one of the tables, right click and choose merge table in the context menu. You can also use table and merge table maneuver. So how we can merge the table? So what is this? Select any cell in one of the tables. Select any cell in one of the tables. So I'm going to merge these two tables. Okay. So I'm just putting my cursor at here and there is a delete. So I'm pressing the delete key. Now the table is here. Look at this. I'm going in this table option and there is a merge table option. There is a merge table option. I think it's merged, but it's not merged like the way I want. I assume that if I merge, then this header row will be removed, but I think it is not possible. If I'm going on this style also, tool also, again on this tool, and now this time I'm not getting the merge option. I'm putting my cursor here. Again, I'm not getting the merge table option. So it means that if you want to merge this space, this blank space, a blank space is showing here. This blank space must be removed with the help of the del key. Now this two key table is joined. Okay, it's joined, but we remember these two tables are still the two tables. It is not counted as a one table. So I want to merge these two tables. So I have to put the cursor either here or here. Okay. So I'm just putting the cursor here, going on the table, and then I'm using the command merge table. So now look at this. My table is merged. How can you find out the difference? The table is merged or not? You can find out. Just look. I'm clicking on this top header and look at this. It's only selecting this two rows. It means these two tables are the different tables. These are not interrelated. But after giving the merge table command, after putting this command, these two tables are joined. And how I come to know? I'm just clicking at there. Look at this. The all columns are selected of that. Look at this. All cell of this column are get selected. I'm clicking at this position. Look at this. All columns are all cells of this columns are selected. Not all columns. All cells of this columns are selected. So this way you come to know the table are merged. It's a merged here. Okay. So delete a table, that is not a very difficult task. Deletion table is always easy task. Select from the end of the paragraph before the table. Start the paragraph after table. Press the delete key and backspace key. Table and delete table. There are two options to delete the table. Simply, I'm going to press a Control Z so that I will get. Now this table is here. I want to delete it. I'm pressing the. I'm just selecting this from here to here, and now I'm pressing the del key. It's a only delete the contents. I'm pressing the backspace key. It's a only delete the contents. And what it is saying that select the from the end of the paragraph before the table to start the paragraph after the table and press the delete key. Means what I have I have to press the enter key value. First I have to know this is not, and I have to insert a line in between those two tables. So how it is possible? How it is possible? Wait. What I have to do, I'm just going to reduce the sizes, increase of upper one, and no, that space is deleted. So I have to insert one space here in between two table. Okay, I'm going to delete this table. Don't worry. I'm going to delete this table. So now there is a space. Again, I'm going to select this whole table, Control C, and now I'm pressing Control V. So what happened? My table is copied here. With Control V. What happened? It's working or not working? Yeah, it's a working. So table is pasted here. So how I can delete? I can delete by using the del key also. Simply I have, first I'm going to reduce the size. First I'm going to look. I'm putting my cursor down. It's not going down right now. Yeah, here I'm able to put. And okay, so I'm selecting it from here to there and then pressing the del key. It's a deleted. It's a deleted. So what is the concept? Either you select the table from the, means this is the end of the paragraph. So start selecting the table from there to here. And then you press the del key, it's a working, it's a deleted. Okay. And the most simplest option is that you put your cursor inside the table, anywhere you can put, and just click on this button, delete table, or go on a table. And from here you can select the delete table option and it will delete the table by this way. So this is the easiest way for deleting a table. Copying table, it's also easy. You click anywhere on the table. From the table, select table. Now you can select the table, press Ctrl C or click on the copy icon, move the cursor at the target position and press Ctrl V. So this is the very simplest option. I'm pressing the Ctrl Z. So now I'm selecting the table. I'm going on the copy option. I'm putting my cursor here. I'm making the Ctrl V. Table is copied here. Look at this. My table is copied. Okay. So this way we can copy the table. What is the next? Moving a table. I want to move the table from one place to another position. So what we have to do? We have to Control X and Control V like this. In the same way, select the table or you cut the table, move the cursors to the target position, Control plus V, paste the icons in footer toolbar. Okay, or you can select the paste option or Control V option, return the original table, click somewhere in that, and then choose delete the table. Means what is the meaning of this? The meaning of this, suppose I'm writing here 4 and 5, 5, 6, something like this. Now I'm selecting this table, okay? Or you want to select the table, just click on this and there is the option select. So select table, it will select it here. Now you click on this copy option. I want to cut option, so I'm clicking at the cut option and here I'm coming and now I'm pasting this here. So it's a paste. So this is the moving. This is the moving means I'm moving the table from that position to next position. So this way you can manage the table. So I hope you understand how can make the table, how can insert the rows, how can insert the columns, how can insert the means split the table. Okay, how can merge the tables, how can delete and copy, everything you are able to understand. Suppose this is the cell. Now I want to split a cell. I want to split a cell. Suppose I want to combine these two cells. Suppose I want to combine these two cells. Then what I will do? I will do merge cell. I will do merge cell. Okay. So I'm writing here merge cell. It's a merged. Okay. And now I'm writing here subject name and anything we can write here subject name. Subject name. Okay, and now these two are the subject and these two also I want to merge. So what I will do, I will write here, right click here and merge cell. Sometime we need to split a cell. Sometime we need to split a cell. So what I will do, I will go on a split cell and it will ask, last time it was already discussed with you, how can you split horizontally or vertically? Look, it's a split into two parts. Okay, so I hope there is no problem with this. This timetable you all, this is your assignment for today. This timetable you all have to make it. I'm sending you assignment and homework. So this was, and as well as I'll give the some question also that is based on the table. Just I'll check that what was the last questions given by me. Accordingly, I'm going to give you the some questions to you. Now this is the printing a documents. See how you can print the documents, how you can get the printout. Printout is always known as the hard copy output. There are two types of the output. One is called soft copy output and second is called hard copy output. Okay, so for the printing we require a device and the device is known as the printer device. So it is necessary to printer must be installed on your computer and after installation you are able to get printout of your document. Printing means whatever you are design on the computer. Suppose you have designed this table, this timetable, and now you want to print it. You want to give this blank format to each and every student. So definitely we need to get the printout. So how we will get the printout? Go on the file menu. In a file menu, you will see an option print, and there is a one option print preview. So I'm always recommended that before going to get the printout, you always see the print preview. Print preview means before going to print anything, any page, you just see how it will be appear, how it will be appear on the page if you are getting the printout. Okay, so this is the good things of this. So now look at this. If you are going to print this whole documents, it's how many pages are there? There are page total 5 pages are there. Okay, so look at this. The first page. This is the first page. This is the first page. This is the second page. Okay, this is the second page, and this is the third page. Move on the next. I'm moving third and fourth, and this is my fifth page. So this way it's going to print. Okay. Now there is a print options are here. So through print you can print it, but on my laptop the printer is not installed. So it will ask to print Microsoft Print to PDF, means I want to convert in a PDF file. So I can convert in a PDF file. Okay, there is a LibreOffice Writer. So here is also page background, means do you want to print the page background? Do you want to print the image and other graphics content like this? Do you want to print hidden text? And this options are given here. Okay, so move on the general. There is the all ranges, means I want to print the all pages. So click on the all range. I want to print only one page. So click on the page and put the page number. Suppose I want to print the only third page. In this case, I want to print only third page. So write the 3 here. I write the 3 here. Okay. Okay. If you want to print the some pages like 3, 4. I want to print 3 to 4, means two pages will be printed, third and fourth. I want to print only 1 and 5th pages. Suppose I want to print 1 and 5th page, then how I will write? I will write 1 comma 5. Then it will print 1 and 5th page. If you want to print only even pages, means those are the even page number. I want to print only odd pages, those are the odd number. There is the number of copies, how many copies you want to get the printout. This is the size of the page. Normally we are using the A4 sheet, so you can select the A4 sheets. Sometimes we are getting the letter size paper also, so you can select with this. Orientation, normally we are using this portrait orientation. This is the portrait orientations. You can change the orientation, you can get it and a landscape also. So this option is also, but your documents is adjusted according to portrait, so better you will keep it like this. This is the order left to right, means first left, then down to this. This is the order. It's a helpful when we are going to print multiple pages through the printers who is capable to print multiple means front and back together in a one command. Okay, so this way, this is the properties through which you can set the printer properties, and at last you will give the OK command. So it's going to print. Because I don't want to print it, so I'm not going to print it. Okay, I want to close the preview, so close the preview by this way. By clicking on this close preview, you can close it. Okay, so now you understand how can we print the documents and how we will get the output through the printer. So this is the and the shortcut keys of the printing, Control plus P. By this you can get the printing all pages. You can print all pages, you can print single page, you can print the some odd even pages. So these are the different options are there. Okay, I hope there is no more doubt to you all. If you have any doubt, you can ask your doubt. Okay.